Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're working on a 1967 Shelby Cobra and our challenge is to make it look better and swap the wheels and add a couple details. Alrighty, let's get into this project, shall we? So pretty much all I did was, this car was pretty drilled because I was planning on doing this anyway. I just didn't know when I was going to do it. So yeah, this is the part where I'm just pretty much just taking it apart and struggling to take some plastic out, but that's okay because I did get it undone and I did accomplish what I wanted to do. But anyways, we're going to put those to the side and we're going to start with the base today because the base is the most important part of this build. Now, in my opinion, Hot Wheels did not do a good job on this. The wheels on it were too big, and I think the wheels from Greenlight look so much better. There they are. They're so more, on point, more realistic. Anyways, and also Hot Wheels did not put enough detail into these things. But anyways, here I am taking off the wheels, and this is the best part of the video in my opinion. The axles from the old things are metal, and it sparked up, and it looked pretty cool to do actually. Always remember, kids, wear your safety goggles if you're gonna do this because you don't want to get metal shards in your eyes. Anyways, like I was saying, Hot Wheels didn't really do a good job on the detail part of this model. It was kind of all over the place and it was kind of bland in my opinion. So later in the video, you will see me, adding more detail. Anyways, here we are cutting out the grooves from the old axles to make room for the new ones. And I didn't do any tubes or anything because this was just a quick video and I just wanted to put this together because I felt bad because you guys haven't seen much content for the last 2 weeks. Anyways, we did this and then on the bottom we also shaved down the tabs, but I did not show that because I didn't have time. Again, I did make this video very quick, but there's nothing wrong with that. I do use the K&S tubing, but I get the multi-packs. So here's the final result of the base. Looks amazing. I love it. Now we're going to go on to the body. Like I was telling you earlier, we're going to do some detail. First thing I do is the rear tail lights. And I grab my red Sharpie and I fill in both sides. I do take a little bit of time because it is hard to look at a camera and fill in this detail at the same time. And doing it, with all that said, you have to do that without messing up anything, and honestly it's a bit of a struggle, but we made it through and we finished it with success, no problems there. After the taillights, I did some other couple things like the gas tank and then the front logo we also did, but that was and then the headlights because it just, like I said again, it was too bland for my taste. Yeah, so there was no paint removal this time. There was none of that. We kept it just stock because I just wanted to make this look better than how Hot Wheels did it. Anyways, we grabbed our testers paint. We are using a silver chrome to fill in the gas tank and the hood badge. It might be hard to see me doing this, but I am filling it in. It looks so much better in person. I love it. It turned out great. While I'm doing this, guys, if you do like what you see, like I always say, give a like and a follow. I appreciate everything you guys do, and you guys are amazing. I appreciate the new followers that I've had in the last couple videos and the support. I need much more of it, guys. It boosts me to do more videos for you guys. Anyways, now we're getting on to the emblem on the front here. This was honestly hard because I was scared of messing it up, but luckily we didn't. I've noticed I started getting more comments from you guys, and the feedback has just been fantastic. I love it. It's all positive and it's helpful, and I couldn't do it without you guys. Oh yeah, and also we did these. I think they were I think those are the side like blinkers, but I didn't have any orange, so I just kept it in the chrome silver color. That was my choice, of course, but that's besides the point. That's besides the point. After that, we do take a minute, and yes, you see the back of my shirt. I apologize now. I had to reach over and grab the white paint so we can do the headlights. So, upcoming events while we are just waiting for me to grab the paint here. I have a couple builds that I want to do, but also I want to hear from you guys because I don't just want to do stuff that you guys seen a million times. I would like some ideas and maybe some help to maybe get some different content out there. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, and that would be greatly appreciated. Now onto the headlights. So first off, I grab my drug bottle full of paint thinner and I clean my brush and wipe it off with my rag. Once that is done, we can start putting on the white on and making those headlights look more realistic than they already did. Well, didn't. Let's say that. But here we go. Grabbed a little white. And honestly, the headlights don't need much, guys. Like, you could just put a little dab and just dab it on there. Sometimes I even use a toothpick, but I'll rarely even show that. But here we go. Dabbing it all on there, making it look nice and pretty. Yes, I know I just said pretty, but it's okay. It looks so good, but that's just on video. But in real life, it seriously looks like a miniature Cobra with a Hot Wheels sticker on the back of it. It's actually pretty amazing. I know I didn't do much, but I did enough to show that anyone can do these videos. Doesn't matter who you are. If you have some paint and some wheels and a drill, you pretty much can make these cars yourself. You don't just have to be all fancy and stuff. You can simply just take a car apart, fill in the detail, change the wheels, and call it a day. Like, look at that. That looks amazing. Anyways, guys, I would like to show you our before again. Stock, kind of boring, fat tires, didn't really look too good. It was too lame to me, in my opinion. And here is the final result. Like I said, guys, it looks awesome. It looks like I have a mini Cobra in my hand. Yes, there was a lot of detail lines I would like to get rid of, but I didn't have time for that because I wanted to get this out so quick. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a like / comment and a follow. Also, one last thing, guys. Follow my man Maple Leaf at Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. His link will be in the description below, and also go check out Opaw's. His link will be in the description below. Thanks, guys. Bye.